Camera fades into a professor standing in front of a lecture hall filled with medical students. Professor: Good morning, class. Today, we are going to delve into the fascinating topic of lipid metabolism. Lipids play a vital role in various physiological processes within our bodies, right from energy storage to hormone regulation. In this lecture, we will explore the intricate pathways involved in lipid metabolism and discuss the regulation of these processes. So, let's begin our journey into the world of lipids. Professor, before we plunge into the details, let's start with an overview of lipid metabolism. Lipid metabolism encompasses a series of intricate biochemical processes that involve the synthesis, degradation, and transportation of lipids in our bodies. This intricate network of reactions occurs in various organs and tissues, such as the liver, adipose tissue, and skeletal muscle. The key players in lipid metabolism are fatty acids, glycerol, triglycerides, and cholesterol. Professor, lipogenesis refers to the synthesis of fatty acids and triglycerides from non-lipid precursors. This process primarily occurs in the liver and adipose tissue. The first step in lipogenesis involves the conversion of glucose into pyruvate through glycolysis. Pyruvate is then further converted into acetyl-CoA, which acts as a building block for fatty acid synthesis. This process is strictly regulated by enzymes such as acetyl-CoA carboxylase and fatty acid synthase. Professor, lipolysis, on the other hand, is the breakdown of stored triglycerides into glycerol and fatty acids. This process occurs primarily in adipose tissue and provides the body with a steady supply of energy during fasting or physical activity. Hormones such as glucagon and catecholamines stimulate lipolysis by activating the enzyme triglyceride lipase, leading to the release of free fatty acids. Professor, lipids are transported in the bloodstream as lipoproteins, which consist of triglycerides, cholesterol, phospholipids, and proteins. The major types of lipoproteins involved in lipid transport are chylomicrons, very low-density lipoproteins, VLDL, low-density lipoproteins, LDL, and high-density lipoproteins, HDL. These lipoproteins aid in the transport of lipids from the intestines to various tissues and vice versa. Professor, the intricate web of lipid metabolism is tightly regulated by various signaling pathways. Hormones such as insulin and glucagon play a crucial role in coordinating lipid metabolism. Insulin promotes the synthesis of fatty acids and triglycerides, while glucagon stimulates lipolysis. Additionally, transcription factors such as sterol regulatory element binding proteins, SREBs, and peroxisome proliferator activated receptors, PERS, regulate the expression of genes involved in lipid metabolism. Professor, lipid oxidation, also known as fatty acid oxidation or beta oxidation, is a process that occurs primarily in mitochondria. Fatty acids are broken down into two carbon units, generating acetyl-CoA and reducing equivalents in the form of NAD and FOD2. Acetyl-CoA enters the citric acid cycle, leading to ATP production through oxidative phosphorylation. Professor, transcriptional regulation plays a vital role in modulating lipid metabolism. Transcription factors, such as SREBs and PERS, bind to specific DNA sequences, activating or repressing the expression of lipid metabolism-related genes. This regulation ensures the precise balance of lipogenesis, lipolysis, and lipid transport within our cells. Professor, adipose tissue is a major site for lipid metabolism. It serves as a storage depot for triglycerides during times of excess energy and releases fatty acids during energy-demanding periods. Adipose tissue also secretes adipokines, such as leptin and adiponectin, which regulate appetite, inflammation, and insulin sensitivity. Professor, the liver plays a crucial role in lipid metabolism. It synthesizes triglycerides, cholesterol, and lipoproteins, and also contributes to the process of lipolysis. The liver is responsible for maintaining cholesterol homeostasis, which involves the regulation of cholesterol synthesis, uptake, and excretion. Professor, lipolysis is significantly stimulated during periods of fasting and exercise. When our energy demands increase, the hormone glucagon and catecholamines are released, activating lipolysis. The breakdown of stored triglycerides releases fatty acids, providing energy for the body. This process is crucial in maintaining energy homeostasis. Professor, insulin resistance is a condition characterized by decreased responsiveness of cells to insulin, leading to metabolic dysregulation. Alterations in lipid metabolism contribute to the development of insulin resistance. Impaired insulin signaling disrupts the balance between lipolysis, lipogenesis, and fatty acid oxidation, leading to increased lipid accumulation and metabolic dysfunction. Professor, pharmacological interventions are often used to target specific aspects of lipid metabolism. Medications such as statins, fibrates, and niacin are commonly prescribed to manage dyslipidemia by reducing cholesterol synthesis, increasing lipolysis, or improving lipid transport. These interventions play a crucial role in the prevention and treatment of metabolic disorders, such as hyperlipidemia and atherosclerosis. Professor, in conclusion, lipid metabolism is a complex and tightly regulated process that maintains energy homeostasis and plays a vital role in human health. Understanding the intricate pathways involved in lipid metabolism helps us comprehend the underlying mechanisms of metabolic disorders and opens doors for potential therapeutic interventions. I hope this lecture has given you a comprehensive overview of lipid metabolism and its significance in human physiology. Thank you for your attention. Camera fades out as the students applaud.